Okay, so the boys went out last night pretty late. They tried to wake me up at about 1 a.m. this morning. There was no chance. I was exhausted. So I am heading solo to Sing Sing Waterfall to go and check that out. It's about 14 minutes ride from here, so say 25 minutes because Google Maps is never right in Bali. Alright, so I changed my mind. I'm heading to Aling Aling Waterfall. Apparently it's got more water and it's better. So we'll see how that goes. Sing Sing Waterfall didn't have any water because it's been a dry summer, so yeah, the lady at reception told me that I'd be better off going to see that than to go to Sing Sing because there's no water at Sing Sing, so. Wow, look at that. So these temples are absolutely everywhere. Like, I mean everywhere. Look, you drive 5 minutes, you see about 4 of them. So they really take pride and they're really right into their religion here. Yeah, which I think is fantastic that they haven't lost that whole sense of tradition. And so pretty much the road rules here are, if someone's coming at you, you move. So if someone's overtaking the other side of the road, get to the left. Unlike Australia where everyone is sitting there and then abuse the hell out of each other, that's just how it goes here. And beep when you're overtaking. So if you're going on the wrong side of the road, or you had someone that's swerving back and forth everywhere, just give them a quick beep and they'll stop. They'll lock right into their little lane. So, like this. I've got a bit of ground to cover, so I need to get moving. Watch out for doggos. If you see someone that looks like they haven't seen you, you just give them a quick beep. Same thing. And just hang on. These scooters are fantastic, but the faster you go, the stiffer the steering gets. So you kind of can't stuff it up, which is really good. Oh, guys. This is fantastic. This is probably the most free I've ever felt, even on my dirt bike. I've never felt, you know, I used to go out solo riding all the time. People thought I was crazy, you know, what happens if something happens to you? You can't live with the what ifs. You've got to live for the here and now. I mean, look at this. This is spectacular. Good morning. Where's the waterfall?
Waterfall's here. You just parking your scooter here.
Yeah, yeah.
Walking 10 minutes.
Ah, sweet. Which way do I go? Just walk?
No, that way. But you need to get a ticket first.
Yep. Ticket. Oh, yep. Sweet. Awesome. That's
Start from 5,
Yep.
5, 10, and 15 minutes.
That's it. You can jump into it.
Yeah, it's
Oh.
So we got like waterfall here. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. All right. Sweet. Might give it a go. Maybe.
Have fun. Have a good day.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Yeah.
Friendly smiles wherever you go. It doesn't matter where you are. Everyone's smiling. Everyone's friendly. So, good morning. How are you guys? I'm alright. How much is it to go to the waterfall?
Have you been here before?
I have not, no.
Okay, I will give you some information first before you go to the waterfall.
After talking to the lady and getting all the information, I knew the boys would want to do this too. So I went back and got them. Alright, we're back at Aling Aling. I picked up the boys. We've had breakfast and showered and smell all pretty. So $12.50 to do the short trek, which is entrance ticket, 4 waterfalls, water sport activities, swim, slide and jump, local guide, safety equipment, mineral water, and they cover you by insurance, which is pretty cool. So the insurance part, that worries me a little. I wonder why. So this is our tour guide. His name is David.
David.
Yeah, he's going to be walking us up the water.
From Sambangan village.
Ah, sweet.
Sambangan is our village.
So yeah, he's going to be walking us up to the waterfall. That's right. Three, 2, 1.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah.
That was unreal, guys. You've got to give this a try. Aling Aling Waterfall. Unreal. That was unreal, guys. So we just done that. Now we're walking to the actual Aling Aling Waterfall to have a look at what that is. So it's just another waterfall, obviously, but yeah, we're all full of adrenaline at the moment and walking down this rocky path to get there. 10 meters, what a height. Like, I think I've only ever jumped like 2 or 3 meters ever in my life. So to jump 10 meters, that was just insane. All right, so apparently I'm gonna go for a shower in here. So I'm gonna take my bag off. I'm gonna hand the camera over to Mick because at the moment with the stick it's not waterproof, which is why I didn't take this with it over the waterfall. And yeah, go and wash this stinky body. So guys, that was absolutely fantastic. It's not freezing cold like you would expect. It's actually really refreshing.
Still cold.
Definitely got to come here and give this a try. Like, Aling Aling Waterfalls, I can't say it enough. This is the best, most interactive waterfall I've ever been to. So we're going up to, I think maybe it's going to be like the main attraction up the top. Oh, wow. All right. This is the main attraction, I would say. That is beautiful. All right, guys, we're going to go down, take some still shots, and yeah, I'll come back to you soon. All right, boys, Aling Aling Waterfall. What do you think?
Amazing.
Absolutely phenomenal, guys. You've got to check this place out. There's no tourists here compared to some of the places we've seen on this trip. There's a handful, maybe 10, 15 tourists here at, while we've been here.
Bring your thongs.
Bring your thongs, definitely bring your thongs. Leave all your stuff at home because it's very interactive. It's very good. So it's swimming lots. Yeah, this is honestly, I mean, look at that. There's the picture and there's the background. There is no tourists here at all. And this was what this trip was all about, finding the spots that no one knows about. So guys, just a little FYI, there is a lot of stairs here, but as you can see, they're very small. So they're not hard to walk up. It's not a really long trek, but just bear in mind that there is some stairs to climb. To get from one side to the other, the whole thing, if you were just to walk it straight, takes about 10 minutes total. So it's really not that physical. This is just amazing. I'm just so over the moon with this place.
Many Australians come right now.
Yeah, there's a lot in Kuta.
In Kuta.
Yeah, but we're
Yeah.
trying to get out of Kuta and see the island. So we've been riding for 3-4 days now. Yeah.
Not here, yeah. so many Australians. So come
Nah.
here from Europe.
Yeah, Europe, Russia. We've seen a lot of Russians and Germans. Americans, yeah. All the Australians seem to just stay in Kuta, where,
Bintang, yeah.
yeah. But it's silly, this is the real Bali. This is why we come, to see this beautifulness. Oh, this is beautiful. We're trying to get right up as high in the mountain as we possibly can. Yeah, the higher we go, the cooler it gets. It's actually really nice now. I mean, we're still wet from the waterfall, so we're not really that hot, but the air's just getting colder and colder and colder. Hopefully, if we get high enough, we'll be in those clouds up there. You can see the tops of it, it's just in the clouds. So, yeah, this is spectacular, this section. Wow, guys, check this out. Through here, this is unreal. We have taken so many roads like this. Oh dear. There's a bridge. So it just went from really nice road to really bad. Hopefully this is going to take us all the way up to where those clouds were. It's all misty, but we'll see. How are you, bud?
Good, man. How you doing?
Yeah, not too bad. We're just exploring.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you live up this way?
Yeah, actually, that's my house right there. And then, but I live over here in the hotel. I got a little hotel up here on the hill right here.
Yep.
But yeah, it's all cool. Nice back here. You can go up this. Keep going straight. The road goes up like really steep.
Yeah.
If you get all the way up to the top of it,
Yep.
it's epic. It's fucking cool as fuck up there.
Yeah, mint.
Sickest, the biggest waterfall is just right up here. Like 5 minutes up this road.
Yep.
Yeah.
So better than that one.
Yeah.
See, this is what we're looking for. This is why we've gone, right, let's go up the mountain and see what we can find up here, and then
Right.
yeah, we've met you, you've told us there's a waterfall. It's fantastic.
Yeah, it is.
So, how long you been in Bali? How long you been living here?
Like 6 years.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Came here and decided not to like go back to America, so kind of set my stones here, you know.
Do you feel safer here than when you're in America?
Safer here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's,
America's crazy, dude.
yeah, I know. That's what we keep hearing from a lot of American people. They'll come like to Australia and they'll be like,
It's just like
yeah,
every day, like, gangsters everywhere, guns. And
Yeah,
shit,
so many-
drugs, like everywhere, dude. Like,
what's the name of your restaurant?
it's called. So it's the hotel's called D Kailash,
Yep,
like DKAILASH.
yep,
D Kailash. And like the restaurant's called Warong, or D Kailash Warong. So it's pretty much the same, but with Warong. But we're on Google. We're on Google Maps, and
yep.
you can look us up on Google Maps. Yeah,
Cool.
I do a lot of I do like build websites. I do SEO, and it's
Yep.
like my main business. So yeah.
Yeah,
You guys should come check it out. Fucking, I know you guys will like it there. It's nice.
yeah, yep.
We got good food too. And
Yeah,
the
sweet.
view from the restaurant is just it's everything. This whole fucking valley here.
Yeah, right.
It's sick, dude.
Yeah, mint.
Yeah.
Thanks for chatting to us and letting us know about the waterfalls. That's mint.
Yeah, and then you can ask anybody back there, like Airtujian waterfalls, whatever. They point you the right way. You know, you'll work your way up. It's called Chamada.
Chamada.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, my man. Chamada Waterfall. That's where we're headed, guys.
Yep.
So yeah, sweet.
All right, guys.
Cheers, bud. Have a good one.
Yeah, you guys have a good one.
But that's his house that he built just over there in the middle of the rice fields. I mean, how beautiful is that? Can you imagine living there? That'd be fantastic. So, oh, let this guy up. Hey, buddy. We're exploring. This is insane. Driving up this mountain was mental. As you can see, I almost end up in the ditch here. And no sooner do I get out, I find Corey stuck. And this was the easy path. I wonder what the other one was like. Mick comes down to see what's going on, but he ends up stuck too. Finally, we all end up back on the path and carry on. An amazing adventure. Riding with me, run, puppy dog! Run! Whee! This is fantastic. I'm loving this so much. Look, we're nearly at the top of the mountain, guys. We can see it all the way up there. There's a puppy dog. How pretty is this? Like, seriously, look at that. After that hectic ride, let's walk down and have a look. Or slip down and have a look. These are the places they don't take you. We haven't seen, you've seen the trek. We haven't seen anyone for ages. And this was what this trip was all about. Getting out of the tourist trap, seeing the real Bali. Well, you're seeing it. It's just started like monsoon rain on us. Oh my God, guys. This just shows you why you need to get out and get off the beaten path. I would say this was once a tourist attraction, and it no longer is, because you can just tell it's not as well maintained. There you go, Canggu Green Camp. Got to get the obligatory Instagram shot. So, or for Tinder profile, whatever it is. Look at his head. Oh, this is magnificent out here, guys. after our little Instagram shoot. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, Tinder for the boys. But Insta, the World Rampage vlog. Because these rocks haven't been stepped on, they are super slippery. I'm gonna film this way. So if one of us slips, woo, like that, you get it on film. Well, there's a little temple here. Oh, there you go. Empty little temple. Doesn't look like anyone's maintained this for a long time. I mean, look at it. You don't really see. I know. You don't see them overgrown like this. So, well, we are deep, deep, deep up the top in the jungle. So, yeah, it'll hold you, fat man. If it holds me, it'll hold you. How do you get to it? Corey fall through the brush. Alright, let's move on then. Waterfall number 3. Waterfall number 3. Alright, we come down to here. Looks like some sort of structure up here. Blue handrails and concrete. Oh, there's people. Some locals sitting there. Oh, it looks like a dam of some sort. There you go, that's the dam I was talking about. Forgot you guys don't want to see my face, you want to see what we're looking at. That's pretty cool. Hello. Hi guys. Hey, good.
How are you?
Look at that. There's Corey. Oh, they're cutting a path through here. That was a cool slide. I hope he's got that. Oh yeah, they're cutting a path through here, clearing all the brush. So, yeah. I hope the GoPro is picking up the rain. It is absolutely bucketing down, guys. This must be where it comes out. Okay, so they're diverting it for some reason. We're gonna go and take some shelter, guys. Okay, just chatting to the locals then, and they reckon it's going to rain for about half an hour to an hour, so we're just going to trek back up to the bikes. I think that's about as far as we can go. There's not really much more down there. They're diverting all the water away anyway. I might start recording on the way down because it is going to be gnarly. It's slippery going up, and it was dry, so coming back down is going to be real fun in this rain. Alright, adios till I'm back on the bike, guys. Here we go. Let's see what goes on here. Let's see if we stack it. Oh, this is going to be gnarly in some spots. You see the outsides are all slippery. You just got to stick to the middle of the path where it's all rough. Try not to get on that slippery stuff. Wow, look at the fog coming through here, guys. It's just pouring rain. Can't believe we rode up this. It's crazy. We are crazy. Cause it's a long way to the top if you want a waterfall. Woo! Whoa! I nearly stacked it. Just drifted that hard. Oh dear. Alright guys, signing out. Sorry about the water on the lens. Cause it's a long way to the top if you want a waterfall.